The Nature Discovery Center is a place where families and children can come together to learn, explore, and discover new things about the environment around us. We have classes and programs here to teach children more about ecosystems, habitats. We also have programs for adults that focus on birding and other nature discoveries around the park. Our mission is to ignite lifelong curiosity, understanding, and respect for nature through education. Some of our goals are to spark interest in nature and in science, develop critical thinking, and enrich educational opportunities for children.